Okay. Long promised dental video thing. I mentioned this a while ago. I have to clean everybody's teeth anyway for the pseudomonas treatment that we're doing. So now is a good time to show off some teeth. Good teeth and bad teeth. And I'm using this stuff. It's a chlorhexadine dilution, 0.12%. My vet said that was perfect to use. Come here, Ty. Let's see your pretty teethers. So Ty has beautiful teeth. But per the vet, everyone's teeth get cleaned every night while we're doing the treatment. So okay, come here. Let's look at your pretty teethers. So this is what healthy teeth should look like. No, you gotta let me see the teeth. Chirp, chirp, chirp. Those incisors, they're close together. They're nice and clean. Beautiful pink gums down there. Can we get a good look in your mouth? Probably not. You probably don't want to share that very well. You can kind of see some other teeth in there. They've got tons of them. Anyway, his teeth look good. But everyone gets the chlorhexadine in their mouths to help fight this biofilm that's going on. Is it okay? Come here. You need to show off your fluffy self because you're so cute. You're just a giant angry potato boy. Yeah, bite me. Bite me. Again, thank you. Okay. Okay, come here. Come on. Where are you going? No, don't climb in there. Those need to stay clean. Silly.